Hello! Good morning mga kaibigan. We're here in Baguio. Here's Ate Bella. Here's Ate Bella. Yan. Tinitingnan namin yung view. So, nag-stop muna kami dito sa may highway packet ng Baguio. Kasi meron kami nakikitang view dito. Ang ganda. Yan oh. Malamig na dito. Gusto nyo na yun, malamig na. So, matas-tas na rin kami dito. Ito, packet kami. Sa, ano kami? Kamjani. Yun na.
Yaya, we're strawberry too.
Morning po.
Yaya, we're strawberry too.
Walking up.
Another chair.
There. Huh?
Another chair, Daddy.
Another chair. Hello. Yan. Dito na kami kumain sa ano, Kamjani. Ito yung aming munting lunch. May apple, pati yan. Ayan. Ayan.
Brunch.
Talagang pangmalayuan yung ano namin. Baon. Ate Bella.
Kain.
Laming. So, it's our first day here in Baguio. Papasok na kami dito sa Manor. Good afternoon.
Break.
Yun. Pasok na tayo. Good afternoon. Ang ganda ng tsinelas ko. Good afternoon po. So, 241? Ay, 214? Saan daw po? Tingnan natin, oh. Yeah. Ito. We're about to enter the room 214. Yan. Narongsen kami. Kumatok pa mo kami dun sa ano, sa 214. Sa 241 pala kami. Buti walang tao dun. Naglalakad namin ngayon po tungo dun sa 241. May kasama tayo, yan o. Napaka-approachable nila yan. Sige ma'am, see you. Salamat. Ito, nandito na kami. 241. Sigurado na yan.
Ano yung kinakabahan natin?
Ayun o. Yan.
Bakit? Mabuti. 214 eh. Ay, 214 yung pinta namin. 241?
Oh.
Yay!
2 bedroom na. Queen ba to? Queen size yan. Wow. Ano yung view natin dito? Oh. Let me see. Oh. Ito. View natin. Pwede kami mag-i-stay dito sa room na to. Yan. Yung nag-drive ako. So yung pilot, alam nyo na kung anong unang pinupuntahan yan paglapag ng eroplano. CR muna. baby ko, oh. She's about to sleep. Yan. Oh, tutulog na siya. Are you sleepy, baby? Huh? Sleepy ka? Higa muna, pahinga muna. Hello, good morning. Yan. Kakagising lang namin.
Yay, yay.
Yeah. Here's my baby Faith. Hello. Baby Faith? Anong pangalan ng bear mo?
Baby.
Baby bear?
Yes, Tito Tig, don't owe them.
He's okay?
Yes,
Anong ginagawa mo sa kanya?
Tito Tig.
Ah, he's sick?
Yes, don't owe baby bear.
Okay. Gagaling na siya niyan. Oh. Hello, baby pig. Anong ginagawa nyo?
Saka na. Strawberry and ano kasi
breakfast muna kami dito. Pagod kami kakakit doon sa hagdan. Daming steps doon. Taas. Breakfast kami dito kay Mamela Restaurant yan. Good morning po. Bango ng kape.
Bird.
Well, try this
Fresh
one.
siya.
Ba't yung sakin wala pa?
Malinis pa.
You try it.
Ba't yung sakin wala pa?
Sting ha? Yeah.
Ay!
Oh.
Ano ba? Hindi na. Nainitan siya. Wow! Uy, sarap. Pahingi ko tsara. Ayun na. Bella, pahingi nga.
Ay, 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 ay.
Come, dali. Ayun na si Ate Bella. Ayun na si Ate Bella. Sige na, ayun na.
This is my oinan. No, not an oinan.
Wala.
Hi guys. Hi guys. We're going.
We're going to the park.
We're going to the park. My tummy hurts.
Your tummy hurts? What? Oh, let's go back to the room.
I'm not good.
What are you going to? Hey, what are you going to do?
I'm better, Daddy.
Punta tayo sa garden.
We're going in the park.
Where are you going?
I'm going in the park.
Anong gagawin mo sa park?
I want to ride the bike in the park.
Yeah. Ano? Anong gusto mo, Faith?
I want popcorn.
You want popcorn? There. Ayun o. Sige.
Popcorn. Pooping, pooping. I am dying.
We were just kids still breaking them rules, exchanging hellos after school. Got
Hello guys!
thought we moved
It's
on,
our second day here.
never far from
Ay gumagayang malit sa akin.
that day.
Yan. So,
We're always
we plan to stay here.
we're close in the
Yan.
back of my mind. Waiting
Rather than
on
ano,
just the right
mag ikot-ikot sa labas.
Called your number
Kasi
and talked for hours.
pag pumupunta kami dito, lagi naman yung ikot namin sa ano, sa mga pasyalan sa labas. So this time, it's a good privilege yan. Yung makapag-stay kami dito sa Manor, Clark Manor. Ano? Ay, Baguio Manor. I'm sorry. Baguio Manor kasi. I'm sorry, hindi ko alam. Kaya nga first time ko eh. Yun. Nag-stay kami dito. We'll spend most of our time here in Baguio Manor, together with my girls. Yeah, no?
Mga matatandaan na dun pa sa room. Sinama.
So lakad-lakad kami. Wala na yung araw. Lamig. Lamig yung ano, klima. Ganda.
Where I got down on one knee, asked you on those city lights, would you do the honor of becoming my wife? You said yes, now here we are, giving each other our hearts. Can see my future when I look into your eyes. You and I travel the world together.
Nice.
By my side. And now you're here,
Lamig, no?
standing right in front of me, holding my hand tight.
Hello, baby. Yan.
All the world to see. I
Oh,
can't
don't
wait
run.
to spend my life, yeah, with you by my side. 'Cause you and I would just feel right together. And I knew that moment our eyes met, I found the one, I found my forever. I'll say I do 1,000 times over. You're my family, my friend, my lover. I can't wait to spend our lives falling in love.
Guys, good evening yan. Bonfire kami. Ito. Sakto, lamig. Ito hindi umulan, kapon umulan. Pero ngayon, lamig. Yan, sarap ng ano. Sarap ng bonfire yan.
Good morning.
Balik kayo dito.
Pangatlong araw na namin. Good morning mga kaibigan. Ano? It's cold. Yeah. Lamig na. Lamig. Ayun yung baby ko. Oh. Si Ate Bella tulog pa.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, fuck everybody, just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you.
Pagutom muna. Yan.
Ay, mainit yan ah.
Asan yung kay Faith? Ito yung kay Faith. Yan. Oh. May
Sobrang...
kagat na. Kinagat na niya.
Kahit di pa nababayan.
Faith!
Hi!
We're going back into our cave. Yan.
Uy, uy, may
Inaayos
sasakyan
ni Mami yung ano, mga pinamiling konting gulay
Gulay sa market.
sa market. Si Ate Bella, oh. Tumitira na.
Sige ba? Magkano
Ano yan? Meron ka pa chocolate, ha?
Oo. Ay, hindi. Sige pa sila kapatid. Ayan.
Pati tong little girl, ayan, oh.
1,
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Nuts.
Nuts.
I don't need nuts.
Bella
Rap.
pa yung cellphone mo. Memory. Mabuti pa yung lighter siya.
Para sa ating celebrant, si Lola Jessie.
We will get the first now.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yo!
Wish ka muna.
Wish!
Ay, wait lang. Wish ka muna. Wait.
Binlow na. Check out na kami. Yan. Yan, check out na. Mami. Again. Feet.
Daddy, I am.
Sandali. Balik mo doon. Binitbit mo si Teddy, eh. Camera.
I am in the
Color.
big house.
Dali.
Purple, pink, red, blue, and brown.
Brown. Very good. Ang galing ng baby feet.
I get one. I get one.
Really?
Yeah, you're so cute. Because I'm red, Daddy. I'm red.
Kay ano? Kay ate. You say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hindi kanya napansin siguro.
That's noise.
All the people, they're so nice here. You just open the car for mommy. Then naman they always say good morning and good evening and good afternoon.
Yeah, we have air toys.
Look at the stunning view. Diba?
Amazing.
Yung tunnel ayun. Ano yung tunnel? Bye Camp Johnny. Yan. Bye Manor.
Bye.
We're leaving. And pauwi na kami.
Till next time.
Till next time.